Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Viber ringtone, and now let's dive right in. Now to change Viber ringtone, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber, guys, you can see at the bottom right corner of the screen there's a more button available for us. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here you can see the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings over here, and again over here you can see on this interface the notification option available for us, which is the third one. Tap on notifications and scroll down over here, and over here guys you can see there is the call ringtone and the use system sounds button over here. If your use system sounds is turned off, guys, you won't be able to tap on the call ringtone. To do that, tap on the make sure that use system sounds is enabled and the call ringtone will be available for us. Now in order to choose your specific ringtone or change the ringtone on Viber, tap on call ringtone, and all of the default ringtones from Viber on your phone will be available for us. And you can also choose to set a song or any of your recording as a ringtone on Viber by tapping on this device over here. If you tap on it, you will be taken to your phone's music gallery over here, where you can see your recordings and your music over here. You can choose any music you like, just tap on it and it will be selected. And let's go back, and you can see, or you can just use one of these ringtones. Just tap to select the ringtone which you want to use as a ringtone on Viber. And with that being done, guys, your ringtone will be changed on Viber. Over here you can see the Viber ringtone has been changed. And guys, this is how to change Viber ringtone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.